I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn how to write a quadratic equation in standard form when the roots are given. The question here is, write quadratic equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b and c are integers and the roots are 1 over 5 and minus 2 over 3. You can always pause the video and then look into my solution. So what we need here is a quadratic equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, and we are given two roots. One root is at x equals to 1 over 5 and the other root is at x equals to minus 2 over 3, right? So these are the roots given to us, and that kind of equation is called standard equation or standard form, right, of quadratic equation, right? And these are the roots. So x equals to 1 over 5 is the first root. The second one is x equals to minus 2 over 3. If you rearrange this, what do you get? You get x minus 1 over 5 equal to 0. You could have done like this also. If I multiply by 3, let's see how to do such things, right? How to find the factors. This is what I'm going to teach you here. If I am given x equals to minus 2 over 3, I could cross multiply, write this as 3x equals to minus 2, and then rearrange and write this as 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Do you get this? So if we have a root at x equals to minus 2 over 3, it means 3x plus 2 is a factor of the quadratic equation. Now you could find it in the fraction form also, but it is always better to avoid fractions. So we'll multiply by 5 all the terms, right? So we'll do 5 times this, 5 times the other factor, and 5 times 0, right? So if you do that, you get 5x. So this equation could also be written as 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Do you see that? So with that, we have two factors. One is 5x minus 1, and the other one is 3x plus 2. You get the idea, right? So that ensures that the quadratic equation formed by the product of these two factors will definitely have 0 at 1 over 5 and at minus 2 over 3. So I hope you got the concept. Using these factors, we can write down the quadratic equation. I'll do it on the right side. So we have two factors now based on the roots given to us. The first one I'm writing as 5x minus 1. This is one factor. The other one is 3x plus 2. When you multiply, you get 0. Now, we need to write equation in the standard form, not in the factored form. So we'll do distributive property, rearrange, and then combine the like terms. So when you multiply 5x by 3x, you get this as equals to 15x squared. 5x times 2 gives us 10x. Minus 1 times 3x gives us minus 3x. Minus 1 times 2 is minus 2, and that is equal to 0. You can combine these two terms, and then you get 15x squared. 10 minus 3 is 7, so you get plus 7x minus 2 equals to 0, right? So that becomes the quadratic equation which you are looking for. So that's your solution. Okay, so that is how we get the solution of such a question. So we'll write down that the answer here is 15x squared plus 7x minus 2 equals to 0. You can always check that if you substitute x equals to 1 over 5 or x equals to minus 2 over 3, you'll get 0. So these two are factors for the given quadratic equation. So what you have learned here is, given the roots, we could straight away write 5x minus 3, but the concept is kind of shown here, right? So I hope that makes some good connection and helps you to understand how at times we directly write down these two factors and solve to get the answer. But here is the concept. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. Thank you, and all the best.